How to DM on Reddit. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Reddit. And once you do that, say for example I wanted to DM this user right here. I will click on it and I will get this pop-up window right here, from which you need to click on Start Chat, and this conversation window will opens, and you can type anything and send it to this person right here. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can DM on Reddit. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.